Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Ryan from Texas Fins, and in this video we are doing a decoyed pigeon hunt in Lubbock, Texas. It took me roughly 2 or 3 days to find enough birds for this group of shooters. Two of them is from Germany, two of them from the United States, and as you'll see through this video, they're rather competitive about their shots and who was shooting. But there's plenty of decoying action. I believe this group killed close to 400 to 500 birds. In this video, you're going to see some of the cleaned up shots, some of the closer decoying action. So I hope you enjoy. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
On your side, take him. On your side, take him. Ready?
Do it.
Yeah. You're up on a single.
Hang on, just stay still. Hang on.
You're up.
Yeah, how come I don't get one of
Go ahead, Rick. Kill these.
Decoy there. Oh my gosh, you did.
Chop them up.
shot.
Nolan,